This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about steak weights, specifically this Metlux cast iron steak weight. It's a black cast iron weight with a wooden handle, and it's 7 3/4 inches long by 4 inches wide. So it's got a nice, generous surface there to press down with. It features this lovely wooden handle that offers not only a secure but a safe way to handle that press, even when you're working over a hot grill or griddle. They're made of cast iron for excellent heat retention, and there's a black enamel coating to help prevent sticking. And these are going to help you to evenly cook meats on both sides while also speeding up your cooking process. They can be used on stovetops or grills, and that textured underside is going to help prevent slipping, but also leave an attractive grill pattern. You can use these on steaks to do things like flatten out burgers or bacon and really even them out and help even out their cooking time and temperature. They're naturally durable and rust resistant, so they're perfect for a variety of restaurants and food establishments like steakhouses, burger joints, diners and breakfast spots, or just to use at home.